In my experience, control point splines are better when you need mathematical correctness, and fit point splines are better when you trace detailed objects like images or logos. Here are 3 tips and tricks for fit point splines in Autodesk Fusion 360. 3. A white dot indicates that your spline isn't constrained to other geometry. 2. Right-click and insert extra control points when you need them. 1. You can probably use less control points than you think when you use fit point splines in Autodesk Fusion 360. And the handlebars are great for adjusting your spline. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in the next video. Thank you.